literally just got reservations for us for opening day of Galaxy's Edge. So I took a little screen recording what the process looked like to book the tickets. I'll share that right now.
Okay, so here you can see it's gonna ask me which time I want. So I tried to get the earlier time, the 5 p.m., but once I checked all the boxes, it said like, sorry, choose a new reservation. I was like, ah! So you'll see how fast I switched to the next time that's available on there. And then I got a little QR code. I took a screenshot of it, and then I almost immediately got an email as well. May 31st is the only day that we can go, and then our passes block out until the end of August. So even though not everything is going to be open in Star Wars Land, we really want to go just to stand in it and be like, oh, it's amazing, we just want to be there on opening day. So we are really excited to go. Can't wait. All right, everyone, we're officially heading to Star Wars Land. Headphone warning, we're on our way to Star Wars. I'm not gonna be able to. Guys, we literally just got past security, and I asked if it's been busy today, and they said it's been like this the whole day, which is literally.
No one's here. It's so freaking.
There's no one here. I don't understand.
We came on a Wednesday.
This is literally amazing.
Guys, we got in line. We got this map. Look at it.
Okay,
you can feel it. You can feel the map. It feels like rocks.
There is not that many people here. Seriously.
There isn't that many people. Come join.
Now we are inside of the launch bay. The line is moving super fast, so if you do have a reservation, just know that getting your wristband doesn't take long at all. We've only been in line for 10 minutes, and we're already inside. All right, guys, we just got our wristbands. So the verdict on getting your wristband, we literally got in line at 6:10 and got our wristband and out by 6:30, so super fast.
Hi! Our reservations are soon. And so we're heading over to Critter Country to
Enter.
I was gonna say check in, but we already did that. Everyone's getting anxious.
Moving forward.
Antsy pantsy.
Moving forward. Wow. Oh my gosh, is this the new Cars 2 land?
Oh my gosh, it's Cars 2. Ew, my mouth is so...
Here we go. We are about to enter into Batu, the actual trading posts and stuff.
Baboon. All we see is lampposts again.
We're too little.
We're too small.
2 Lilreds. Who would have thunk?
Alright guys, so right now we're in the marketplace, and so we're gonna try the Outpost popcorn mix, is what it's called. Literally smells.
I'm on TV.
Literally smells so good. So we'll tell you how it is. Okay, here we go. Is this the spicy one?
Oh, what the heck? Purple. It does taste like purple.
That's good. It almost tastes like
Skittles.
No, it tastes like
Oh,
drinks.
Yeah.
Yeah, it tastes like freaking cereal. Your breath smells like drinks.
But it's like
What do you want to show me? What's happening?
Ready?
What's happening?
Up, down, left, right.
So here's the thing. Every time I turn around, Victoria is gone. And she won't admit it. But literally, I can never find her. And then, I find her.
doing nothing.
Real quick, we gotta get a cap. The lady at the front of the line said that the blue tastes a little more tropical, and the green one is a little more floral. So we'll see, because we're getting both.
Have one. We use them all. Danielle? Yeah. So if you could make it happen for me, give me my message. Right now.
What does yours taste like, Danny?
Like apples?
Oh, I smell it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, mine just, it tastes like,
Got a long line. Does
it taste like milk?
Danielle
We'll push your order for you because we're at 11:40.
Okay, my turn.
that's what I'm saying. It's like,
That tastes like soap. I remember bathing with that as a child.
laundry soap.
Okay.
and cakes from me if
Okay,
it's
so
not
what's the verdict? All right.
dirty. We have laundry detergent and Yankee candle. Shampoo and conditioner.
We personally didn't like the milk. I don't know. I mean,
It's okay, like I'll drink it. Like I'm not gonna waste my money. I kind of feel like I'm drinking bubble gum almost.
yeah, it does kind of taste like that.
It does not taste like Big Red even a little bit.
I don't know.
We're in line for Smuggler's Run. Not the PS2 game, just the ride. I know.
All right, guys. So Kendall and I are the pilots. We're the pilots. Tori is the
shoot
gunner.
stuff.
Danny is the gunner. All right. What's your guys' jobs? Engineers. Sweet. We got the engineers.
Alright guys, come on in. Pilots in the front, gunners in the center, engineers in the back.
I probably shouldn't be holding my hydroflask.
For your safety,
Go ahead.
remain seated and supervise young lanes.
You're kidding.
I'm so freaking excited.
Make the jump to light speed. Jump in.
Kendall, you're
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
That was so cool.
That was literally the coolest thing ever. It I thought it was gonna end like 3 times and then it kept going. It's like a long ride. That was really cool. What'd you think, Tori? Tell us
That
about
was
your
so
gunning.
cool. I was pushing buttons like mad. I got to shoot stuff. Thanks for joining us.
We hope that you loved watching along. We had so much fun. We can't wait to be back here in just a couple months.
Oh yes.
And if you like this video, please like and subscribe and turn on that bell to get all of the notifications. We love you. Bye.